Hi class, I'd like to welcome you to your first module in Training and Development 400 Introduction to Training. And during this module you're going to learn about the Association for Talent Development and their competency model, and you're also going to be introduced to adult learning theory. What I'd like to do now is have you take a quick look at the module section. So the module section contains objectives, activities, which we're going to talk about in just a moment, and weekly lessons and assignments. So you can feel free to complete these lessons whenever they are more convenient for you. You don't have to complete week 1 only during week 1 or week 2 only during week 2, but I do encourage you to pace yourself because the assignments are fairly challenging and will keep you busy. So let's begin by taking a look at the activities sheet, and what you need to do is simply click on this activities button here and it will open a Word document. So this is your Module 1 activities sheet. And this sheet contains a list of everything you need to do during the module. And I encourage you to print this out and refer to it, and you can even put a check mark in the boxes here as you finish each assignment. So the first assignment is to introduce yourself in the class forum. So click on the forum button and write an introductory post. The instructions are in the forum and how to do that. Next, take a look at everything in the course site. Take a look at the syllabus, the written assignments, the extras, or some reports that you might find interesting. Next, take a look at the module content, and you're going to be reading chapters in your textbook that are listed here, and you'll also complete lessons for Module 1, Week 1 and 2. You'll also complete a brief blog comment assignment, and this is also in the module section. And then you'll take a brief quiz. You'll have a quiz for week 1 and a quiz for week 2. So there are 2 quizzes in this module. Next, there's a forum that you're going to participate in, and I'll show you this in just a moment, where you take a look at job opportunities and explore them in terms of the ATD competency model. And then finally, I would like for you to take a look ahead at the Module 2 assignment, where you're going to conduct an interview or attend a professional meeting. And I strongly suggest that you work this week or next week on scheduling that meeting so that you can get that assignment done by the end of Module 2. And just a reminder, each module lasts for 2 weeks. Modules always begin on Monday morning and end 2 weeks later on Sunday night. There are also some additional challenge activities here if you are interested or have the time. And let's head back to the course site for just a moment. So here you see week 1 lessons and assignments. So if you click on this button, it will take you to the various assignments that you have for week 1. And just to show you, this is a little bit different, but what you're going to do when you click on this is you're going to come to a screen like this, and you just click on Begin. And what you'll be doing is you'll be watching a brief video and then answering questions below, and you'll match the questions with their correct answer over here. And then there's a second video that you'll watch and do the same thing with. And this gives you a chance to have a little bit more interactive experience with the videos as opposed to simply watching them and not really taking anything away. So let's head back. And then you'll also have a brief blog assignment. I'll go over that with you. So if you click on this, once again you click on Continue. And this gives you some instructions about how to complete this assignment. So basically what you'll be doing is going to our department blog, Are You Training? And there are a number of articles in the blog written by faculty, alumni, and other industry professionals. And what you will do is read this particular article, which addresses careers in training and development. And then you're going to add a comment to the actual blog. So you'll actually be able to post a comment to our blog that you will share with all of our other readers. And what I'd like you to do is simply cut and paste your comment here copy and paste your comment here in the box below, and then you'll hit Save and Submit. And that allows your comment to receive credit for posting your comment. So this is actually worth 5 points. So when you actually post it in the blog and also post it here, I'll review your comment and you will receive 5 points for your work. Okay, so and then there's another quiz, and this is a very straightforward quiz, and this is simply another review of the ATD competency model and course conventions. So for some of this you'll be using handouts found in Module 1, maybe your syllabus, so you will also complete too. Now there are no written assignments during this module, so this will give you time to get used to the course site and assignments in the forums and other places. So I'm going to take you over really quickly to the forum 2. Let's slide this window over so here you see all the buttons. And in the class forum, here's the water cooler where you may post any questions you might have about the course content. Also, if you see a student has posted a question and you can answer it, feel free to chime in and do so. This is our introductory forum. This is a forum where you'll review adult learning theory in terms of the TV show Survivor. So it's just sort of a fun way to consider learning theory. And here's the forum that's a bit more of an assignment, and the Module 1 Career Opportunities. And this is where you actually find a job that you would like to have in the field of training or HR or maybe org development. And then you evaluate that job posting, its requirements, in terms of the competency model. So what you're going to look for when you're doing this is which of the ATD competencies are mentioned in the job. What are they looking for? So does the competency model really line up with this job? So it's kind of a great way to do a little bit of a practice activity with the competency model to help reinforce that, and also to start thinking about what kind of jobs there are in the field and what kind of career opportunities you might be looking for. And that wraps us up for Module 1. If you have any questions, please post them in our water cooler forum, or please feel free to also email me. Thank you and have a good 2 weeks.